Welcome to the 1-Minute Photography. In this video I will show you how to edit gym photos in Lightroom. Here are some example photos of before and after using this preset. So let's start editing. First go to the basic. Tint -20. Exposure +0.30. Contrast +22. Highlights -100. +70 for shadow. Whites -60. And -30 for blacks. And done. Next go to the curve and follow these steps. Then go to the color mix and first go to the red. Saturation -100. And -90 for luminance. Then go to the orange. Hue -7. Saturation -16. And luminance -23. Next bring saturation to -100 for yellow. Now bring saturation to -100 and luminance -30 for green, aqua and blue. Now go to the purple. Hue -21. Saturation -30. And -20 for luminance. Finally go to the magenta. -50 for saturation. And luminance +25. Next go to the color grading tool and first go to the shadows. Hue 226 and saturation 13. Hue 169 for highlights. Now go to the presence. Texture and clarity 16. Next go to the noise reduction. Luminance noise reduction 10. And 26 for color noise reduction. Next go the effect and bring vignette to -20. And done. Now you can save it as a preset and apply to your any photos. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you enjoyed the video.